Yeah, Shep. So what experts say is key about the J&J vaccine is that it provides strong protection against severe disease. In the clinical trial, 4 weeks after receiving the shot, nobody was hospitalized with COVID who received the vaccine. Now, the overall efficacy for the J&J shot in preventing any disease is lower than for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. But the White House messaging today, once it's your turn to get a vaccine, get vaccinated. Now, there was also a hint from the data today that the vaccine could reduce transmission by preventing some asymptomatic infection. But the FDA is saying it's too early to make those conclusions firmly. Now, if the FDA's panel votes yes on Friday and the agency gives the green light, the government says it'll distribute 3 to 4 million doses of the J&J vaccine next week. And because it's a one-shot vaccine, that's, of course, enough for 3 to 4 million people, Shep.
That's a lot of folks. Meg, Moderna's been working on a booster shot, one that would work better against those variants we've been talking about. You have news on that today, I understand.
Yeah, Moderna said today it delivered the first batch of its updated vaccine to the NIH for a clinical study. Now, this one is targeted against the B.1.351 variant, first identified in South Africa. Now, while that's not yet as prevalent here in the U.S. yet as the B.1.1.7 variant associated with the U.K., it has shown to evade the vaccine's protection more. They plan to test it as well as the original vaccine as a booster shot, and also announced they're ramping up manufacturing capacity to be able to more flexibly respond to variants in the future. CEO Stefan Bancel telling me last hour they expect COVID to be with us for the long term, but they're making plans to try to stay ahead of it. Shep.
Hey, quickly, Meg, what about therapeutics? Any progress?
You know, those have been a little slower in terms of getting a pill for COVID. You know, we've got the antibody drugs, and those have been moving along, but not being used as much as health experts hope that they would. The holy grail we've been hearing are these antiviral drugs that we could take as pills that could really stop the disease early. There is work underway, but we're still waiting to hear how well they'll work.
We'll look forward to that. Meg Terrell, as always, thank you. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.